You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this.
Oh, I got it out of the hole, but I still gotta swim. No. Back in the same hole again. God darn it. Okay, good. There you go. Much better. Mine's too loose. Oh, can bites. It's got a good bite. Oh, he probably took my bait. Yep, he took the bait. Look, manatee. Just cruising around. Going up. Nice manatee. Manatee just chilling. Man, these birds keep diving like that. They're gonna have a concussion. These birds dive in with their face down. They're gonna have a concussion if they keep doing that. God, I keep getting stuck in these rocks. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, mangrove snapper. Oh no, there's not a mangrove snapper. There's like a one of these grunts. What kind of species of fish is here? It's a grunt. It's a grunt. Look at his mouth, how big it gets. It's a grunt. I don't know what kind of fish is this. Anybody know the ID of this fish? Huh. What kind of fish is this? Well, thanks for the catch. There you go, fish on. Oh, fish on. This is a good one. This is a good one. It's the same fish. Same fish, but bigger. Same fish, but bigger. Nice. Same fish, but bigger. Yeah, it's the same fish. Look how big his mouth gets. I have no clue what kind of fish is this. Looks like a grunt. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of fish it is. But hey, it's a good catch. Fucking fishing. Fucking doing her shit here. Next to mine. It's not standing there. I like to catch it. Well, that's what you call my dream boat. I don't even have to live in the house. That's what you call. Oh. Yep. Paris for life. Yeah, it's a nice boat. Man. I won't even live in a house. Dang. It's a nice boat. Oh, snap. Just got a good hit. Oh, snap, another hit. Whoa. Oh, there you go. Fish on. Fish on. Keep catching these little bugs. All right, so we're at Fish Rules. Fish Rules. So there's all types of grunts. Which grunt looked like the one I had? That one? Grunt white? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Yep, this is it. So it was a grunt. Okay, so it was a grunt. Yeah, it was a grunt. Okay, I thought it was a grunt. I just wasn't sure. I wasn't really sure if it was a grunt or not. Yep, it was a grunt. I'm glad I have Fish Rules. I'm so glad I have Fish Rules. Guys, if you guys do not know the type of fish you have or which fish to keep when it's season or out of season, I recommend you to download this app. It is free. Fish Rules. Anywhere you live at, go ahead and download it. I am not sponsored or anything, but I recommend you getting it. It really helps. Fish. Fish. Got a fish. Fish. Oh, I'm taking the rocks. I'm taking the rocks. I'm taking the rocks. Fell in the water. There's water. Yep, there's water right there. Oh, that was an easy release. Get off. This fish took me to the rocks. Did I get him out? I got him out. Oh, this fish got me in the rocks. So I'm looking right there. There is water. Because that fish fell in there. Yeah, there's water there. So that's a good thing. Oh, seaweed. Seaweed. Oh, fish on? No. What? Yeah, it is. Look at this little fish. What? Really, dude? Really? What kind of little fish? Look at this little fish. Oh, wow. Anybody know what type of fish it is? Alright, little guy. Thanks for the catch. That's crazy. What kind of little fish? Wow. It's better than nothing. It's the way I look at it. Oh man, it's a nice, beautiful day, morning day. Oh, fish on. Right, yep, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh my god, this fish is taking some drag. It's a mangrove. Look at these mangrove snappers. If I was keeping fish today, this would have been a keeper. I'm not keeping fish today. Thanks for the catch. Haha, you missed. I better try and take the fish. What are you doing, buddy? I don't got no fish for you. I would have been a good dinner for you. Well, not today, buddy. Not today. These pelicans trying to take my bait, trying to take my fish. No, not today. Okay, fish on for the last shrimp of the day. Fish on with the mangrove snapper. Yes, sir. Last fish of the day. Nice. Oh, get off. Get off. Ow. Give me the side of the jaw. Buddy. See ya! I don't wanna be ya. Alright. Well, that was the last fish of the day. Look at all the manatees on that side of the beach. Wow. Alright, let's see. Oh, snap. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got one more shrimp. Oh, look. We got one more shrimp, guys. It might be the lucky one. This might be the lucky shrimp. I thought we had one more. I thought that was the last shrimp. No, this is the last shrimp. So, hey, this must be the lucky one of the day. All right, this is the last shrimp that I got. This is the last shrimp. Last shrimp of the day. Getting tangled up. It's pretty windy. This video is gonna be like how to get. This video is gonna be how to get your line untangled on a windy day. Pretty much keep getting tangled up and getting caught on these rocks. It's pretty windy today. Or not too windy, but it's windy. Almost there. There you go. Alright. Well, that's what you call my dream boat. I don't even have to live in the house. That's what you call a boat. Yep. Paris for life. Yeah, it's a nice boat. Man, I won't even live in a house. Dang, it's a nice boat. Oh, snap. Just got a good hit. Oh, snap, another hit. Whoa. There you go, fish on. Fish on. Keep catching these little birds. Nice. There you go. Last shrimp of the day. I told you this was going to be the lucky one. Oh, it's taking some drag. What's this, a mangrove? Yep, another mangrove snapper. Like I said, if I was keeping fish, this would be another keeper. Some drag. But, like I said, I'm not keeping fish today. But this could have been another keeper. Mangrove snapper. I would have done a catch, clean, cook, but I'm not doing a catch, clean, cook today. Maybe on the next video. Thanks for the catch. I'll see you the next day. Next time I'm at.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know.
Guys, always throw your trash away too. Cans and bottles and plastic. Joe, if you're watching this video, I'm throwing away your trash. Joe couldn't make it out here today. He's out there working. Don't leave no trash around the beach areas or anywhere you fish, because trust me, they will close down the fishing spot. So don't leave any trash. If there's no trash cans or anything, it don't hurt to grab a garbage bag and hold it until you go home, or hold it until you find a dumpster or something. Trust me. Try to save the water pollution of all this trash falling in the water. Save the sea turtles. Save the fish. But hey, it's a good day out here.